Welcome this video. Wood house interior design, natural, elegant, and timeless warm. Wood house interior, a scent of charm, warm and timeless, elegant. Whether it's rustic cabin, if the wood or a modern home with time access, the use of wood in interior design create a charm and invite atmosphere that connect you with nature, whether natural textile and rustic to the subs and invite atmosphere of time of food. House interior often both aesthetic beauty complex who explored various design ideas to create a style functional or a choosy wood interior explored various design idea type to create a style functional choosy wood house interior embrace natural wood tie the wood heart of the house design in the calendar of natural material. Embrace salt wood or a warm climate.